Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something special for you. The LaFont Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Model M210. This little wonder has been making waves in the market as one of the best automatic vacuums, and we're here to dive deep into its features and performance. Well, look no further because the LaFont Robot Vacuum Cleaner M210 is here to save the day. Let's start by highlighting some key features that make the LaFont M210 stand out from the crowd. This robot vacuum is equipped with a powerful digital motor that delivers impressive suction, ensuring it picks up pet hair, dust, and dirt effortlessly. With the LaFont app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction power, and even control the direction, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Plus, it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, making it super easy to give commands. Unlike traditional roller brushes that tend to get tangled with hair, the LaFont M210 features a brushless suction design that ensures hair and dirt go straight into the dustbin without any fuss. Whether you need a quick spot clean, thorough edge cleaning, or a scheduled clean while you're away, this vacuum has you covered with its 6 versatile cleaning modes. You won't even notice it's working thanks to its low noise operation. Plus, its slim 2.99-inch height allows it to effortlessly navigate under furniture and beds for a thorough cleaning. With a 2000 mAh battery, the LaFont M210 can clean for up to 120 minutes, covering approximately 1300 SQFT on a single charge. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about how the LaFont M210 performs in real-life situations. Users have praised its ability to handle pet hair, its efficient cleaning patterns, and the convenience of scheduling cleaning sessions via the app. The anti-collision and anti-drop technology ensure it navigates around obstacles and avoids stairs, keeping it safe during operation. Plus, the large 500 ml dustbin means fewer trips to empty it. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best automatic vacuum that combines powerful cleaning, smart features, and ease of use, the LaFont Robot Vacuum Cleaner M210 is a top contender. Its competitive price point and the convenience it offers make it a solid choice for keeping your home clean and tidy without the hassle of manual vacuuming. That's it for our review of the LaFont Robot Vacuum Cleaner M210. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.